Hey guys, Greg Hollier again, and today we're getting a few things organised in the van for its maiden voyage, so a little bit excited about that, so we'll get in to show you a bit about that. But also, I've got to head to Brisbane, so heading down now, stopping a night at a mate's place, and then we're getting something exciting done, which I'll show you about. So let's cue that intro and get into it. Cheers.
Take me away, right from the start. We'll blow away every piece and part.
Hey guys, Greg here again, and today I'm at Eigthy Signs and Marketing down here in Brisbane, and we're about to get the big girl wrapped. So let's have a look at the wraps before they go on, and we'll show you that process. So a little bit excited about that. My good mate Richard here from Eigthy Signs, who's doing some stuff here now.
Hello.
The bigger Irishman. So he's Eigthy Signs, awesome guys. They've done a fantastic job printing this stuff out, and really looking forward to watching it go on. So let's go and have a look at that process. We're back in Hervey Bay, and how good does the car look? Look, we think it looks absolutely awesome. The guys at Eigthy Signs and Marketing just did a smashing job. Absolutely love it. But now, no time to waste. It's time to pack the van and hit the road and head down to Cobb & Co, 9 Mile Camp. So let's pack the van. Hey guys, we are at the Cobb & Co camping 9 Mile, just south of Gympie. So today I wanted to have a chat with the owner and have a talk about what this place was and where it started from. Also, we've got a couple of awesome people here. So we've got Brooke, we're going to have a chat with next door. So her and her son go camping every school holidays. Awesome setup that they've got. And we're also going to have a chat with Brent and Molly, a young couple that have sold everything, bought a caravan, and they're on the road. We're going to hear about how they support themselves and how they're doing that. So let's stay tuned. Let's go and have a look at the park. Cheers. Hey guys, Greg here again, and look, as we said, this is our maiden voyage in the caravan. We've come to Cobb & Co just south of Gympie, and I'm actually here with the owner of Cobb & Co, Sean. So Sean, mate, I've never seen my kids so tired. Honestly, they're sleeping. There's so many activities here to do.
Yeah, it certainly is, mate. Yeah, it's set up for families primarily.
Yeah, look, that's one of the reasons we loved actually wanted to come here was it's a family orientated. Like, we used to love going to a lot of the beaches, but sometimes there's a bit more party activity going on for the younger crowd.
That's right.
But here, the family orientation is fantastic. A big pirate ship, the BMX track, my little fella has not got off. Honestly, I've never seen him do so many laps. But tell me about the history of this place.
Yeah, well, this is an old Cobb & Co coaching stopover, like a stop from Gympie to Noosa. In 1878, the stagecoaches would come through here.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so that's where the history lies.
Wow, okay, 1878. Just a little bit before our time.
Yeah, and Cobb & Co was its original name because Cobb & Co bought the property, and 9 Mile is 9 miles from Gympie. basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was the 9 mile stop.
Yep, excellent. Some other guys we'll be talking to later. So how big a parcel of land do we have here?
We've got 50 acres here.
50 acres. So guys, look, there's 50 acres of kids, and we've actually felt comfortable enough to let our oldest 2 kids roam free, go and explore. The friendships that they're making here is just fantastic. Cafe here as well, which is also awesome first thing in the morning.
Yep.
But all the amenities and everything here has just been absolutely fantastic. So look, check it out on Campedia. We're about to add it to our site. So probably best to search either Gympie, Greater Region, which it'll come up in, or the actual suburb here is
Tander, T-A-N-D-U-R.
Tander. So look, thanks guys, and we'll go and have a look at the rest of the park. Cheers. Hey guys, we're here again. Met Brooke here and her son Caden. Now, guys, part of it as well is what we've been looking at is while we've got a caravan and there's so many different camp setups, Brooke and her son here have got an awesome setup, and it's so quick, simple, and easy to get out and about.
Yep.
So tell us about Brooke. Where are you from?
It's Brisbane.
Brisbane?
So about an hour and 45 from here.
So again, we're still at the Cobb & Co. So you can see here you've got the Coleman tent.
Yes, the instant up Coleman tent.
Instant up Coleman tent.
Literally it goes up instantly. So it's just the pegging in.
Pegging in, excellent. And a couple of stretchers inside, and we've got a nice little pantry set up here and a little gazebo. So that's just awesome. So how often do you go away camping?
We go every school holidays and probably a weekend in between each time.
Yep. Okay.
Just
cool.
little trips.
Yep. Excellent. Cadence, do you want to come around and say g'day?
Caden, come here.
Here we go. He's all excited. There we go. So Caden heads away as well. So how do you like camping with your mum?
It's actually pretty fun.
It's pretty fun. And playing with all the extra kids has been good?
Yes.
Yes. I can see there's been big touch football games here in the afternoons and cricket.
Yes.
What was the game this morning? Baseball?
Baseball, yes.
How cool is that? So look guys, I'll show you around their site really quickly. And here's my daughter popping in to say hello. So we'll have a look at how their setup is, and it just goes to prove you don't need a lot to get away camping. With nice, quick, simple setup, and it doesn't have to be over complicated, and you don't have to bring the kitchen sink. But we just won't tell my wife that. Anyway, guys, let's have a quick look around. Cheers.
Thanks.
Alright, so how good does Cobb & Co look? How good is Brent and Molly's story, and even Brooke's setup with young Braden? And it was awesome talk to Sean as well from Cobb & Co. Look guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you love the video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And look, love you to share it with friends. Please go and check out campedia.com.au. Check out our Facebook page, which is Facebook.com.au. Our Instagram, YouTube channels. Would love to see you across all of them to keep updated on what we're doing. So again guys, hey, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.